Releasing on August 1, 2025, for $115, the Bravest Studios Orange Bear Claw Mules make a bold comeback with Chief Keef, blending streetwear attitude and surreal aesthetics. Covered in orange faux fur, these quirky mules showcase metal-like claws protruding from the toe box for a fantasy meets fashion vibe. A cork footbed provides lightweight comfort, making them as wearable as they are wild. A true collectible, each pair arrives in a fur-wrapped shoebox that matches the mule's texture, adding flair to the unboxing experience. Known for pushing creative boundaries, Bravest Studios once again redefines casual footwear through this eye-catching restock. First gaining traction as part of the brand's eccentric lineup, the return of this fan-favorite design will surely spark renewed hype. Sold exclusively at drops.braveststudios.com, this release fuses playful imagination with wearable expression for fans of fashion that's loud, daring, and unforgettable.